Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are explore how to design smooth edge masks using mask overlay. Start by loading your image and creating a basic selection around the subject. Enter the Select and Mask workspace and choose Mask Overlay View Mode to visualize edges clearly. With the brush tool active, gently paint along edges where transitions should be smooth. Lower brush opacity helps create softer blends, especially for fabric or rounded surfaces. Use the smooth and feather sliders carefully to eliminate jagged edges without losing detail. Avoid over-feathering as it can make the subject look blurry. Zoom in and work section